This is my new weed whacker, built with a powerful motor that cuts through thick lawns and stubborn weeds with ease. It features a telescopic shaft design that adjusts to your height, so you can work comfortably without bending over. That means less strain and more comfort, even during longer trimming sessions. Lightweight, very easy to handle, and strong enough for any lawn. This trimmer makes yard work fast and effortless. So it comes with everything you need right out of the box. It comes with not one, but two 20-volt rechargeable batteries, the power cable, the guard, and the screwdriver to install the guard to the unit. The main unit is very easy to put together. It simply snaps in place, locks in place. There's two locks. The pole is telescopic, so it means it's adjustable. It's 20 volt. The weed whacker head is actually adjustable as well, depending on your trimming needs. The handle is adjustable as well, making any trimming situation easy. It comes with 8 extra trimming wires, and that's it. You're ready to go. Simply screw the guard in place, and you're ready to go.